Alright, today we're going to show you how to connect the optional heater attachment for Sonitus microphone. So we've got our power cable and microphone cable here. We want to connect this wiring before we plug in the power cable, so we're just going to set that aside. Going to take the microphone and windscreen out, and we see this extra wire hardwired in here. This is the power cable for the heated inlet, or the heated microphone, I should say. And we're going to put this into the enclosure the same way we would the microphone cable, through this cable gland on the bottom here. Actually, we're going to run the microphone cable in first, just because it is larger. So just take this off, slide it over, and then same as in our other videos, just kind of wiggle that guy in. Right. And then that gets plugged in over here. Tuck that into there. And now we can go back and put our heated inlet through before we tighten that gland down. There should be plenty of extra space along the side to run that wire in. And then I'm going to go through, run it into the same channel here. And this unit, being fitted for the heated inlet, heated microphone, has these extra quick connects here. So you'll see there's one red and one black wire. And this wire has one red stripe and then one that's all black. All black goes with the all black connector. So basically you just push that in and then flip this little orange lever down, and that's locked in. And then the same thing here. Open up the orange lever, insert the wire with the red stripe, click it down, and now take our microphone, connect to the microphone as usual, and then final step is going to be to take our power cord and plug it in here, and plug the other end into our outlet. Now our Sonitus is powering on, and the heated microphone is going to warm up, and that's all there is to it.